This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to sign up to Surfer SEO. So first things first, I do have an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. Click that link and see what kind of offers Surfer have. It depends on the time and what they're actually offering, but you'll find yourself on a page like this, or very much like this, depending on how they change their pages over time. Now, I also have the pricing page open. You can come over here. You can see what the pricing plans are right here. They do often have a free plan and they have a free trial. So in their documentation, they do actually have a 7-day free trial. If you click any of these, you'll be able to get a 7-day trial. I believe it's on the pro plan. So it's very simply to sign up, you can hit one of these buttons here, or this button over here on the main page has the same effect. So wherever you find yourself, once you click my link, you can click right here, and all you need to do to sign up is you're going to sign up using this box right here. So sign up for Cursor, not Cursor, Surfer even, talking about a totally different product here. You can easily sign up if you have your Google account, Gmail, you can sign up with Google. You can go old school though. You can put your email and password in, do it the old school way, accept these conditions. You don't have to have, you do have to have things sent. And you need to say that you've read the regulations and the privacy policy. So once you've created your account, if you do happen to already have a Surfer account, you can log in, of course, at the bottom. Then you will click sign up with email. And just like that, you have your Surfer account. And if you click this link when there is a free trial on, which there is currently, you get that 7-day free trial. So you can stick around. If you like the platform, highly advise you to stick around to actually click that link. See if it is for you. There's no pressure. You know, you might want to get a priced in plan. You might want to get one of these premium plans right here, but you don't have to. You can stick around on the free plan. They also have this cheaper discovery plan as well, hidden right at the bottom here, if that is for you. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like